This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on 4 different melodies together that are written in tablature notation. Of course, reading tablature and playing melodies is the focus of this lesson series. And with these, we're right now in the lesson series, we're working on reading further up the fretboard. So with these, we're going to mainly be reading between positions 7 and 12. We'll be doing some in 7, some in 8, some in 9, and even a little bit in position 12. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 116 through 118, doing songs 159 through 162. So just a couple little heads up. We've learned in previous videos that when we start working our way up the fretboard, or when we're playing along the fretboard with tablature, what we want to do is glance over the first couple measures, maybe first few measures, and find the lowest fret that's being used, and then we want to put our index finger in that fret. And then any time we go outside of the 4 frets that result from our index finger being at that fret, so for example, if my index finger is at the 7th fret, middle's at the 8th, ring's at the 9th, pinky's at the 10th, anytime I would need to go outside of those 4 frets, then I would just shift to a new position, whether it be down or up as needed. We're going to have to do a little bit of shifting with a couple of these songs today, but we'll also be mostly just staying in the same position. So with number 159, Amazing Grace, if you glance over those first few measures, you'll notice that we're going to be starting in 7th position. So index at the 7th fret, middle at the 8th, ring at the 9th, and pinky at the 10th. As simple as that. And that one just works that way very nicely. With number 160, we're really going to be starting off in 8th position. So index finger at the 8th fret, middle at the 9th, ring at the 10th, and pinky at the 11th. But there's going to come a point where just briefly we have to shift down to the 7th position. And you may decide to stay in 7th position once you get there, because that works as well. But there is a little shift to be aware of there. With number 160, we're going to be in 8th position. You'll see as you look over those first few measures that we're in 8th position. With number 162, we're going to start off in 9th position. And then we actually have to switch up to 12th position. So just be aware that you'll be doing a little bit of shifting with that one. Alright, it's going to be super fun. Of course, each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos, which is pretty usual for this lesson series. So a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. Let's go ahead and jam on these melodies. right, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. I sure love playing these melodies right along with these jam tracks. Now, and right along with you, I should say. Now, as we continue, of course, we're going to keep making our way through the tablature book, keep working on these higher positions on the guitar next. This is going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.